Hey there, so today I'm actually going to show you how you can hide a single section from Squarespace 7.1. The first thing that you're going to need to do is Google Squarespace ID Finder. Once you search that, this will come up and go ahead and click, and you're just going to add the button that says Add to your Chrome. I use Sidekick browser, so that's why my browser may look a little bit differently, but it does run on Chrome, which is why I'm still able to add Chrome browsers. Anyways, once you add that and you go back to your Squarespace site, you can go ahead and see that the extension has been added to the top. If it doesn't, you might have to click that extension browser and just pin it so that you see it at all times. So the first thing we're going to do is just hide this section from all pages. There are a few reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is maybe you really like this layout or you like what you've done with this section, but it's not relevant anymore. So you just want to hide it until you are ready to promote something again in the future. An example of this would be maybe you are not promoting one of your services or your products, and so you hide the checkout section so that people can't buy it anymore. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and do it. So I'm just going to put in a note first, hide uh, on all devices. We are going to use the data section, so go ahead and turn on the section. I'm hiding the first one, so I went ahead and copied it just by clicking on it. Now I'm going to hit display colon none semicolon. And so you can automatically see that first section was orange, and now this new section is blue, and I cannot see it anymore. So we've done the right thing. Now, what if I want to just hide it on mobile? So first thing we're going to do is we are going to change this to hide on mobile. I'm going to go to the end and I'm going to add more information. So at media screen and max width 640 pixels, and then add another bracket. So I'm enclosing this bracket to be at the end because we're specifically talking about this section. So now you can see that this has reappeared, but when I go into mobile view, that section has disappeared because again, remember we're looking for those orange buttons. And let me remove this CSS code so that you can see a little bit better. So this is great. Now, if I want to hide this specifically on tablet, so let's look at on tablet view, the section has come back. So what we're going to do is change this to a max width of 768. And now the section is gone again, which is fantastic. And if I go back to desktop, that section is back again. So, I mean, we all know if you're using Fluid Engine, there has been some issues where some sections just don't appear correctly on either the devices. So this is a great way to kind of single out sections and then reorganize them so that you can have them appear exactly as you want them. And then lastly, if you just want to hide something on desktop, so let's just go into the desktop view, you can see that it's back. We are going to do min width, and it's going to be 769. Oh, I guess 768 worked too. So that section is completely gone. And so yeah, so I will share these codes down below. If you have any questions, please let me know.